Hello viewers, similar to the previous question, we have came with another new question which is remainder evaluation. As always, we are firstly going to read about the description which we have got for the question because that is the tradition. So let's come over here. It is saying given two positive integers num1 and num2 which are present over here. So if you just see over this static int, this shows that this is find remainder is nothing but a function. And because it is having the data type or the return type as int, what do we have to do? We have to return an value, an integer value. Okay, so this is by default. By seeing the remainder, by seeing the function, we just get to know these things. Okay, coming to the description, the task is to find what? Remainder when num1 is divided by num2. So when num1 is divided by num2, we just have to give the remainder. Okay, let's suppose 10 is divided by 3 gives the remainder as 1. So that is what we have to do over here. So coming to the inputs, we have num1 equal to 5 and num2 equal to 3. So the output will be the remainder, which is 2. Okay, coming to the task, what is our task? Here our task is we don't need to read input or print anything. That means we have to just work on the function. Okay, your task is to complete the function find remainder, which is over here, which takes two integer num1 num2, which is present over here, as an input parameter and return the remainder when num1 is divided by num2. Okay, cool. We have understood the problem. Now we are going to write our question. So basically what it is saying to return the remainder. So we are going to take int remainder as a new variable equal to num1, and how do we find the remainder? Using the modulus or percentage symbol. So in programming, if you have to find the remainder, this is what we have to do. And this will give us the remainder. What do we have to do now? We just have to return this, but my mistake in the typo, we just have to return this remainder. Okay, let's try compiling the code and seeing if you are getting the output. But similar to what we have done previously, as we have got the output, expected outputs are seen. But as we have what we have done in the previous question, we have not taken any extra variable because that takes extra space and memory. So we are going to remove this particular thing, and we are just going to write num1 modulus num2 over here in place of remainder. So that will work exactly fine and we will be more optimal in writing the code. But we got the error because we have two semicolons by a typo. So we are removing it and we are running it again and we got the output in the compile. Let's try to submit and see if our code is actually working. And if it is working, congratulations, you have successfully completed fourth question in the Java practice set. We'll be working on more questions. Stay tuned, subscribe, and share the playlist with your friends so that they can also get benefited. See you in the next question.